Hey guys, it's Brittany here. It's kind of been a while. I'm getting ready to take you guys into the Pinwell. We are doing a special Valentine's Day. It is the day before Valentine's Day. Me and the mobile home mama are here just hanging out, and oh my goodness, what is this spread? Look at this setup. Who would not love a master bedroom to look like this when you first come in? Now we're going to take a nice walk into this huge bathroom and
Hi everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama here on this special Valentine's Day. I say that because my Valentine's is my 5-year-old son. So I wanted to take the time to show you guys the retreat spa. This is the Radiant Spa, excuse me. So I'm I'm sitting, laying in this freestanding tub, and what's special about this tub is the plumbing. The plumbing is coming up and out of the floor, so giving you more room in the actual tub to be able to soak. But check this out, it does some things. This comes up and out, so it's a wand here. You can do what you do with it, and then also this nice spout is coming down for you. So if you chose not to opt for the standalone tub, you would have a bench here that would match your countertops as well, and also whatever hardwood cabinet you chose. But look at what Brittany did. She is so sweet, and we're happy to show you guys this special Radiant Spa. Here we've got two 24 by 48 windows. Turning it around here, we've got the square European sinks. I love these sinks. Even in any home, I encourage them to switch out the sinks. We've got the LED lighted mirrors, some special cabinetry down below, lots of storage. We've even got a couple drawers on each end. And then to my immediate right, we've got a 4-foot by a 5-foot shower. And on the back, a nice marbly finish. The material is not marble, but it is a nice design on the back. And check this out. This may appear like it's upside down, but really, it's just right. This is where you're going to shave your legs, ladies. So,
yeah.
What a bathroom we've got here. Brittany's going to take a walk into the master closet. We've got a built-in there. We call that a closet organizer with lots of storage and racks for all of your clothes. Behind the door, we're going to see some built-in cubbies with a couple of robe hooks here, and then individual cubbies for you to place different things. We threw in some totes over there and some towels over here. So we wanted to show you that we can make each and every room special in your home. We're going to design these homes to be perfect for your lifestyle. So we wanted to wish everyone a happy Valentine's Day, and as always, thanks for watching.